This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make scroll down in Adobe XD. First, ensure your content extends beyond the artboard's bottom edge. This overflow is crucial for creating a scrollable area. Next, you will select the elements you want to scroll and group them. This grouping is the foundation for defining your scrollable region. We'll cover the exact steps to achieve this seamlessly. To begin, select your artboard and adjust its height to represent the visible screen area. For example, a common mobile artboard might be 375 pixels wide by 812 pixels high. Then, position your content, like text or images, so it extends below this visible height. All elements intended for scrolling must be part of one unified group for proper functionality. Once your content is grouped, select that group. Look to the Properties inspector on the right side of your screen. You'll find a Scroll section. Click on the drop-down and select Vertical Scroll. A blue handle will appear, allowing you to define the scrollable viewport. Drag this handle to match the visible height of your artboard, typically around 800 pixels for a standard mobile view. After setting up the scroll group, it's time to test your work. Click the Play button in the top right corner to open the preview window. Interact with your prototype to ensure the vertical scrolling behaves as expected. If needed, return to your design and fine-tune the scroll group's height or content placement. This iterative process ensures a smooth and intuitive user experience for your design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.